Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a really nice, comfortable rug for a large space. Whether this is in your bedroom or maybe this is in the living room like I have here, it's gonna work out perfect for you. So this was sent over by a company called Garvee Home, and it is their large aerial rug. It's gonna come in a lot of different sizes and colors. What I have here is their 8-foot by 10-foot rug, and it's in the color khaki. But like I said, there's lots to choose from as far as combinations. The first thing you're gonna notice is it's a super low profile as far as the rug itself. It's only about 1/4 inches in thickness, and it's super, super soft as far as when you are kind of walking on it or touching it, which is absolutely feels great on your bare feet. Now, the one I have here is more of a traditional looking of a rug. You're gonna have a nice little border around it, and then you have a nice solid more field in the middle. It has the whole entire backside of the rug is completely coated with an anti-slip. So once you put this thing down, it's gonna stay nice in position. You don't have to worry about it sliding around or anything like that. When you have it, if you have an area where there's not like furniture on it, it's gonna stay in place, which is nice. It's also got a nice coating on here that's gonna help it with keeping resistance to stains in case you spill anything like that. Naturally, you're gonna want to wipe everything up really, really quickly. But speaking of stains, it's super easy to clean as far as vacuuming and wiping up because of that low profile of it. It's very, very easy to clean, which is another nice thing. And it's very easy to vacuum. Now, the side of the rug has a nice, strong kind of edge banding, if you will. It's really well sewn, have no issues with fraying or coming apart on the edge banding, which is another great feature of it and also super important. Now, as far as the fabric itself, it is made out of a high-density polyester fiber, which is one of the reasons it's super, super soft. And now it is made out of, because of that polyester, you can actually machine wash this rug. Now, obviously, this large one will not fit in a normal washer. You're gonna have to take it to like a commercial size, but depending on what size you get, you can, if you wish, put this in the machine wash on gentle and then tumble dry on low heat. But yeah, it is machine washable, which is another nice aspect of it. But overall, it's super, super easy to put out. It looks absolutely great, but most importantly, it's super comfortable on my feet. So I've been very, very pleased with it. If you are in the market and you're looking for a great area rug for your space, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.